In this video we see simulation of SR latch. So in previous video we have seen the SR latch, truth table module and also top level module writing. So SR latch, so two modules we can write in a single file. So module top can be written first, then at the end you can write module SR latch, or module SR latch can be written first, then module top can be written. And NAND is a predefined component. Two NAND gates are required, same component with instance names N1 and N2. So two NAND gates are created. In initial statement we are supplying values for set and reset, and we are trying to observe value of Q. This $monitor statement continuously monitors time, set, reset and Q value. Whenever set, reset and Q value changes, it will record in the form of tabular values. We'll see those things in simulation, how the values are stored, where we can observe this in Xilinx simulator. So initially 0 0, then reset we are making 0, so set is 0. Set reset is 0 0 0 1 combination, again 0 0, then 1 0 combination, set 1, reset value 0. So three combinations we are checking, and 1 1 is an invalid combination, so we are not checking that one. After time 50 we want to finish the simulation. Initially at times 0, set and reset values are 0. At time 5 reset will become 1. At plus 5 again, at time 10 reset value will become 0. At 15 the reset value will become set value will become 1. At time 50, that is after 65 time minutes, simulation should stop. I have developed the code. We'll do check syntax first, followed by, then you select this top level. So arrangement, so in top you have defined SR latch as a component. For SR latch you have developed a module, both are linked, top and within which instance name is M1 SR latch, and NAND is a predefined component, so we are not writing any module for this. So select top level module, values are already given, manually no need to give values. When you write test benches to supply values for input set and reset, and you want to observe value Q. Percentage B refers to the values are displayed in binary. When I click on simulate behavioral model, you can observe, so scale is in nanosecond. At time 0 initially, set and reset, you can rearrange these values, set and reset first, followed by Q and Q bar. When initially Q and set and reset are 0 0, Q and Q bar values are unknown, red color mark is shown in waveform window. Then when set value will become 0, so this at time 5, we can observe the value is changing. Reset value we are making 1. At time 10 again reset value we are making 0. At time 15 we are making set value 1, reset remains 0. So when 0 1, Q will become 0, Q bar as 1. When 0 0, Q will be it remained with previous value, previous output value is 0 1, so it remains as same, Q is 0, Q bar is 1 when set and reset are 0 0. When set and reset are 1 0, in that case you can observe Q value has become 1, Q bar value has become 0, and this simulation continues 15 plus 10, that is up to 65 time minutes, 65 nanosecond simulation has executed. Afterwards simulation has stopped because we have written command $finish in your test bench. So after 65 nanosecond your simulation will stop. We want to see where these you can see in this console window, you can see the value, initial value at time 0. I can close this waveform window, console we can see. You can see the values are displayed using $monitor statement. At time 0, set value is 0, reset value is 0, Q value is X unknown. At time 5, you are making reset value 1, set remains 0. So 0, 1 combination Q will become 0. Again at 5 time plus 5 means at time 10, set and reset value 0, 0, reset we have made 0, so Q will remain 0. At time 15, set is made 1, reset value is 0. So for 1, 0, Q will become 1, and simulation stopped at 65 nanosecond. We can see in output simulation. So either in the form of waveform we can observe the output, or we can observe the output in terms of this tabular column. So this is for programmer or user, this display. An alternative way of representing the input and output values using $monitor statement or display. It's like printf statement in C. Apart from that, we can also observe if you go for implementation, and if you want to see how your code written is understood by your tool, you can also observe view RTL schematic. By clicking here. For that, I'll make these lines comment. Only I'll write SR latch. We'll select SR latch. We'll see S. So this is how your text code written is understood by the tool, Xilinx synthesizer. So S bar and R bar are the input, Q and Q bar are the output. Name given for the module is SR underscore latch. How it is understood your code written, if you want to see, double click on this and you can see this is how the implementation is done. It has used two AND gates and two inverters. AND gate output is connected to NOT, means NAND only, behavior is NAND. So internally a gate level schematic, if you want to observe, it has used two AND gates, and this bubble indicates complemented inputs and two NOT gates. And the final outputs are, inputs are what? S bar and R bar. Final outputs are what? Q bar and Q. This is how the code written is understood by our synthesizing tool. We'll continue in next class. Thank you.